Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on XLK, Apple, and Facebook. So everybody's looking at the Apple earnings, which are a beat. We are looking at all-time highs tomorrow, currently above 156. The earnings came out about 5 minutes ago. So congrats to the bulls. A little bit of contrarian thinking, as the bears have had control of Apple for a significant amount of time. And now we are seeing the bulls back in charge. So this is going to help the market. This is going to help the tech sector overall. And this is going to help all the individual names in the tech sector as well. So checking in on XLK, we have an inside bar on the daily time frame of 57.24 support and 57.50 resistance. So we will likely see a bullish break of that. We're going to be looking at 57.66 and then the all-time high of 58.20 from here. And that is going to be the key resistance, obviously. But the bulls are in full control. Thanks to Apple, the market is going to be heading to all-time highs as well. And all is well in the market with this reaction so far. And not really seeing much profit taking it all. Not seeing a ton of volatility. So here we are pushing 157 now. Usually in earnings, you see a lot of whipsaw reaction. This has been bullish from the open. And it's not much volatility and not much pullback. So confident the bulls are going to hold on here and be within striking distance of the all-time high tomorrow, and looking great. So we are expecting a bullish break of XLK, and then 57.66 will be the first resistance to watch, and trying to negate the bearish reversal doji from last week on the weekly chart, which the bulls are looking good to do so far with how this reaction is going. So Apple all-time highs, very likely, completely erasing from the death grip of the bears. And a nice big push to the upside. Upper Bollinger Band on the weekly is going to be in the 157s. That will be a factor to be watching. If we reject from the Upper Bollinger Band in the 157s, we'll know that resistance is key. But other than that, we have only psychological resistance levels, 157, 158. RSI is a lot less meaningless, a lot less meaningful in blue sky breakout range. So congrats to the Apple Bulls, because they are looking good heading into tomorrow. And they are going to drag a lot of individual names, the whole sector, and the S&P 500 with them most likely. Facebook on the daily time frame, very tight range, very healthy consolidation on the daily, and this bullish reaction is likely to help the Facebook bulls. 170.47 is a bull break of the inside bar, and then we're just looking at 3 resistance levels, the lower high pattern the past 3 days. 172.72, 173.43, all-time high 175.49. So the Apple Bulls will likely be heading up towards that all-time high in response to the bullish reaction to the sector. Weekly time frame for Facebook, back testing and holding the upper Bollinger Band, trying to stay in breakout mode. 169.59 is the level to hold above in order to stay in breakout mode. And so far on the weekly time frame, looking good here to do that. So checking in on Facebook, here we are after hours, up pushing the high of the day thanks to the reaction to Apple. So Apple bulls are not stopping, continuing to the upside. And we're seeing, upside after hours in all of these individual tech names. Google's up $5 after hours. Tech sector, the bid right now is up at 57.72. So if we were to open at this level, we would only be looking at the all-time resistance, all-time high in XLK. So bulls in full control. We'll see what kind of follow-through they can get once the bell rings tomorrow, and we'll check back in tomorrow after the close.